Hi all, welcome back to Mathematics Online class. So we are starting our essay 2 today. The first chapter is decimals. Do you know the decimals? No, this is the new term we are studying this year. But decimal, you are using these decimals in your daily life. Knowingly or unknowingly you are using this. Okay, I'll say one example. You are saying the amount. For example, you are saying that it is 3 rupees 25 paise. You are saying like that, no? Here you are using decimal. This dot, the dot which is separating the rupees and paise, this dot is the decimal point. The dot is the decimal point. In the same way, whenever you are saying the length of a cloth, for example, 2 meter 50 centimeter. Here also you are using this dot to separate meter and centimeter. This dot is also decimal point, isn't it? So in our daily life we are using this decimal, but we don't know the value and the place value, nothing about the decimal. But today you are going to study everything about the decimal. Okay, so listen here. First we are moved to the place value of decimal. First we are going to study the place value. We already studied the place value of a normal number. For example, I am saying one number. I am writing one number, 2568. What is the place value of this number? We already studied this in essay 1 first chapter, isn't it? Yes, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay, for example, it is 80. This one is 600. This is 5000. Sorry, 60. Okay, 8, 60, 500 and 2000. So these are the place value of this 2568. Okay, everybody know how to write the place value up to lakh. We have already studied that. Okay, so there is no need to explain again. Then what about the decimals? What is the place value of a decimal? Okay, once again let me write the same number here, 2568. Okay, so whenever then we are starting from here, we are starting right to left, isn't it? From here and here, it will go like that, isn't it? From right to left. Okay, if it is right, it is left. Right to left we are going. So whenever it's gone right to left, it is increasing the value, isn't it? The value is increasing. This is only 8. It is 60. 8 or 60, which is greater? 60 is greater, 8 is lesser, isn't it? Then again 60, this is 500. 60 or 500, which is greater? This 500 is greater. So whenever it is going right to left, the value of that number is increasing. Okay, but in the case of a decimal, for example, I am going to write one decimal. 25.63. Okay, so this is a decimal number, 25.63. How I am saying that number? 25.63. 25.63. I am not saying 63. I am saying 63. Why? Because whenever we are reading the number after the decimal, we need to read the digit individually. So not 63, it is 63. How many digits are there? No problem. You need to read it individually, one by one only. So it is 25.63. So actually this is the whole number. This is the normal number we already studied, isn't it? So 25. So what is the place value of this 25? This is ones, this is tens. That we already know. So this is called a whole number. This is called a whole number. And this is called a decimal number. After the decimal, the number which are given, that is called a decimal number. And this dot is called a decimal point. The dot is called a decimal point. Okay, so actually we are saying only point. So 25.63. Don't forget that. Okay, 25.63. Okay. Then what is the place value of this 63? So I already told that whenever the normal numbers, it is right to left, it is going right to left. But in the case of a decimal number, the place value will go left to right. We are saying this order. starting from left, it will go left to right. It is going left to right. So we are starting from 6. Okay. So whole number we are starting from ones place, that is a right, extreme right side. But in the case of the decimal number, we are starting from the first number itself, the left number. So this here, this 6 is the first number. Okay. So what is the place value of 6? What is the place value of 6? Okay. So the place value of 6 is 1 by 10. We can say 1 by 10, or we can say tenths. Not only tens, it is tens. Okay. There is no ones in the decimal. Okay. Then next, it is 1 by 100. The next position is 1 by 100. That is, we can say it is hundreds. We can say it is hundreds. If I am writing one more other number, 8. What will be the place value of that 8? It is 1 by 1000. Or we can say thousands. Okay. So this is the way of saying the place value of a decimal number. So it is not only a 6, it is 1 by 6. That is 0.6 means that is 1 by 10. The place value is 1 by 10. That means, what do you mean by this 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000? For example, just suppose, think that in your mind, there is 10 sweets are there. 10 sweets are there. Okay. You got 1 out of that 10. You got 1 sweet out of 10. Okay. Then there are 100 sweets are there. Okay. There are 100 sweets are there. Then your brother got 1 out of 100. Okay. Then there are another 1000 seeds are there. Your sister got 1 out of 1000. Okay. So what do you mean by that? That is actually we already studied the fraction, isn't it? So the fraction. So decimal numbers are expressed in fraction also. We can express the decimal numbers in fraction also. And one more. For example, you take a big cloth, big ribbon. Okay, if suppose you are taking the big ribbon, if it is cut equally into 10 pieces, if you are cut equally into 10 pieces, for example, this is a ribbon. Okay, suppose this is a ribbon. You cut this ribbon into 10 equal pieces. Okay, so one piece will be like this. Okay, suppose, okay, this is the one piece of the 10. The same ribbon, if I am make it into 100 pieces, the same ribbon, if I am make it into 100 pieces, the one piece will be little bit smaller. Is it the size of the ribbon will increase or decrease? It will decrease. The size will be small. Again, the same ribbon I am cut it into 1000 pieces. The same ribbon I cut it into 1000 pieces. What will be the size of the one piece? It will be again smaller. The same way, whenever the place value is going left to right, whenever the place values are going left to right, the value will be decreased. The value will be decreased. So 1 by 10 is greater than 1 by 100. 1 by 100 is greater than 1 by 1000. Okay, so just think in your mind that, okay, I already told you the example. The same size of the ribbon, if we cut it into 10 pieces and we are taking 1, that means that is little bit bigger. But the same cloth, same ribbon, if we are cut it into 100 pieces and take 1 piece, that will be smaller. The same ribbon, if we are cut it into again 1000 pieces, the size will be, the one size will be very, very smaller. Okay, so the same way the place value of the decimals also decreasing while we are saying from left to right. Okay, this left to right it is going, the value also decreasing. Clear? Then how will you write the place value of the decimal number? How will you write the place value of a decimal number? For example, 7.925. 7.925. This is a decimal number. 7.925. Okay, you need to write the decimal form of this 9. You need to find the place value of this, place value of 9. How will you write the place value? You can write the place value. You can write it, whether you can write it tens or you can write it 9 by 10. Okay, so you can write it tens or 9 by 10. If you want to write the place value of 2, 2 is in the second position. That means the place value of 2 is 1 by 100. So you can write it, either you can write it hundreds or you can write it 2 by 100. Okay, then if you want to write the place value of this 5, how will you write? It is thousands. Okay, it is thousands, or you can say 5 by 1000, or you can say it is 5 by 1000. Clear? So this is the way of writing the place value. If there is any question has come to write the place value of the decimal number, you should be very careful, starting from 1 by 10, then 1 by 100, then 1 by 1000. It will go on like that. Okay. Again one example. 82.163. 82.163. So your question is, write the place value of this 3. Write the place value of this 3. How will you write the place value of 3? You can write it thousands, or you can write 3 by 1000. 3 by 1000. Clear? This is the way of writing the place value. Okay. Then again, suppose you are getting in number 2. Represent in a place value chart. What do you mean by place value chart? Okay, place value chart means ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay. Then the dot, decimal. Then 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Okay. This is the place value chart. Suppose you need to, represent, shown a number on this place value chart. For example, you need to represent 15.25. 15.25 you need to show on this place value chart. How will you show that? So simple. First you have to look at the whole number, that is 15. So this is the ones place, this is the tens place. So you can write it 15. Then dot. Okay. Then decimal point we put. Then 25. 25 means this is the 1/10th position. This is the 100th position. So this is the method of showing the number on a place value chart. Clear? So easy. So if you want to write 725.03, 725.03, how will you? So ones, tens, 100. So 725 decimal 03. Okay, so this is the way of writing the place value. So today we discussed about the place values of the decimal. Okay, the place values of decimal we discussed. Last very small topic. Okay, like the fractions, here also we can divide the decimals into like fractions and unlike fractions. Like fractions and unlike fractions. What do you mean by like fractions? Sorry, not fraction. Like decimals and unlike decimals. Okay, what do you mean by like decimal or unlike decimal? Do you know? So I'll write one example. 3.2, 6.8, 17.9. Okay, here I am writing 3.68, 4.1, 7.952. So is there any difference? Can you see any difference in the case of these two? Anybody? Yes, the difference is that, listen here. So here like decimals means the decimal numbers should be same. The decimal numbers, not number, the places, decimal places only will be same. Here only one decimal place, here also one decimal place, here also one decimal place. So the decimal places are same for each number. That means this is called like decimals. In the case of here, look, here 2 decimal places, here 1 decimal places, here 3 decimal places. So the decimal places of each number is different. So this is unlike decimals. Clear? So once again, whenever the decimal places are same for each numbers, that is called like decimals. Whenever the decimal places are different for the numbers, that is called unlike decimals. But we can convert unlike decimals into like decimals. It is so easy. We can convert unlike decimals into like decimals. How? Listen here. 8.26, 3.8, 9.725. Okay, this is unlike decimal. This is unlike decimal. Here 2, here 1, here 3. here the decimal places. So it is unlike. So how you will make it to like? Very easy. You need to insert zeros in the right side of the decimal. If you are putting zeros in the right side of the decimal, it will not have any value. For example, here the maximum decimal places is 3. So we need to make the first number is also 3 decimal places by putting 1 0 in the right side. This 0 has no value. Why? Listen here. Because we already told that the place value it is 2 by 10. This is 6 by 100. This is 0 by 100. So 0 by 1000. We already studied in the division chapter 0 by any number is 0. So it is that the answer will be 0 only. So it has no value. Okay. So you can insert the 0 in the right side of the number and make it like a fraction. 3.8. Here only 1 decimal places. We need to make how many decimals? 3 decimal places. So we need to put 2 more zeros and make it like decimals. Here 3. Now it become like decimals. Clear? One more example. 2.7, 8.603, 15.42. We need to make it this unlike decimals into like decimals. How? So the maximum number of decimal places are 3. So we need to make it 3 decimal places by putting 2 zeros. Again 8.603. Next 15.42. Only 2 decimal places we need to put 1 0 and make it 3 decimal places. Now this become like decimals. Clear? So the decimal places we are using every day in our daily life. So it is not a new thing for you, but we are studying as decimals only this year. Okay. So it is very easy. You have to watch the video once again, 1 or 2 times again, then it will be very easy for you. Only the thing you need to study first is the place value of the decimals. Whenever the place value is going left to right, it is decreasing. 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Okay, 1 by 10 or 1 by 1000, which is greater? 1000 is not the greater, it is 1 by 1000, 1 part out of 1000. Let's imagine that 1 part out of 1000 and 1 part out of 10. For example, your mother is cooking the cake and she divide that cake into 10 pieces and give 1 piece to you. Okay, the same cake she made 100 pieces and give 1 piece to you. Which one is greater piece? Yes, sure, that 1 by 10, that 1 piece out of 10 is the greater. Is it clear? So you should be very careful whenever you are getting the decimal places for writing the place value. So watch the video again and again and understood this concept. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.